All right, let's see if we can make this roll-up tent better. I did a previous video where I said, you know, they give you a small pipe. It's not really big enough, so I got the cheapest drainage pipe. And I'm just gonna cut the saw down the middle, slide it over the old bottom, and see if it rolls any better. Didn't even think that would happen, but yeah, it opens up quite nice. So that'll be nice. See if I have enough room here to do this. This side here. The idea was the bigger surface area that'll roll easier. Well, we'll see. Totally does. There's a little headroom. Could go tighter. Got the zipper. Oh, no, the zipper's all the way up. On this side I do. This side I don't. Oh, no, this side. I think that's way better. They should have done that. Yep. It out this way. The whole pipe slid. Yeah, the whole inner pipe slid too. I've had that issue here. Probably should like self-tapper into the pipe, maybe, so it doesn't move. But yeah, that's way better for me. Yeah, so that's my quick improvement on the ShelterLogic. We'll see how it goes. Both of you, get down. Even. It is what it is. All right, got this pipe in. I can't do the string because there's a robin nest literally right there, and she was not too happy with me. She attacked me. All right. Well, I wanted to get an ending for this video, but due to circumstances beyond my control, I'm not able to. So I'm going to make one now. And I want to get this video up because somebody asked me about this. Like, hey, did you ever figure out a way to fix that? But here's what we got going on back here. Slow reveal. So the tent is normally over there where the truck is. I'm waiting to get the driveway paved. I got a quote, and the guys, everyone's busy, man. This time of year, they're just trying to get everything done before winter. But he's coming this month. So the shed was here, rolled it out of the way on logs. Actually, it was shoved underneath the tent. So, because they're gonna pave right up to, I think this pipe. It's another 20 by 20 driveway. So yeah, that's why the tent is in its resting position at an angle. All right, more to come.